Oh, hello there. It's Amanda, Creative Gardener, and welcome to the garden. So this particular episode is about the all the different plants which are scented, all the plants that are scented. And as we're pointing in this direction, let's go to this one first. And this is my new discovery as I work my way through the cobwebs. I have told them not to go across the paths, but they can go in the paths. So this is my first discovery. It is the Quadrille indica. Oh, and so you're lucky in that you get to see one with the seeds, and I'm actually going to come back and take that off because I wanted to see whether the seeds do stay covered, or it might be a bird that's eating them, I don't know. And here's two that have already split open, so I didn't get to see the seeds. So you're lucky in that you get to see the seeds of this one, but it bursts right open and everything comes out. And sorry about that, I've got a little sniffle, and I was just trying to see if I could see any flowers. So this one had little white flowers. I'll show you an image, and all the flowers in this garden smell really sweet, so that is a bonus for me. And I didn't even know that they were plants that had scented flowers. Okay, let's go on to the next plant. Okay, so it was just by chance that I discovered this one had a scented flower, and this is the neem tree. So one day, I inspect all the plants on a daily basis. I obviously don't get around to every single plant, but every day I go and see several new plants. And this had decided to flower. It was grown from seed, and it has the most tiniest flowers, but the sweetest of smell. And so you can see up there. Can you see? Might not be able to see that, but just there it's a couple of the fruit. So prior to the fruit coming out, it would have flowered. And when I checked it on the other tree that I have that's flowering, there's an intense sweet smell from the flowers. So once this has started to bear, there's another one up there. This is exciting. So even in this corner there's a really lovely smell coming up. So as this fruits, prior to the fruit we'll get the flowers, and we will be delighted by the scent. Okay, so the other one, which is just right next to it, is the henna plant. So you can see this one, look at the flowers, look how cute they are. So this is similar to the Quadrille indica flowers that I showed you first with the red buds, but I don't want to get my nose too close, but look how sweet the flowers look. Oops, can you see that? Sorry about that. And let me try and describe the smell. Okay, so they have a deep, like a rose type smell. That's the only thing I can describe, like if you had a rose type smell. And we've got loads of buds forming. So this actually I had got from a plant with just looked like this, and look how big it's managed to grow. I'm gonna go on the other side of the plant, so let us go down here. Actually no, I don't want to go down there. Let's go here so that you can just see, no, we need to go closer. Okay, we're going to have to cross the cassava patch. Oh my days, look at these beauties, look at them. It's amazing. Got a ladybird in there. Every now and again it does have either green fly or white fly issues, but they're so pretty. And then with every flower comes the seeds, and we've got some older seeds on here that I haven't plucked off because I can't yet think where I'm going to want the plant to grow. Yeah, there's an intense smell coming from this side. It's beautiful. So this is the third one. There's more. And there's more. Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. Yeah, see the seeds there? Okay, so the other one, which is still in show. See, this one doesn't have. This is the Scaevola. That doesn't. It's not scented. It's flowers. What I realised that most of the flowers, the colours are white, yellow. It just so happens. I do want like the red Pride of Barbados. So this is the one. Oops, the giant crinium lily. And you have to get close to this one to smell it. But these little pollen-filled, are they stamens? Look at the carpenter bees. Those big things. They're solitary, but they come in like 3 here so far. They love the moringa flowers. Anyway, so this one is scented as well, and it's only for a short while because they're waiting for the pollen to be collected and for the bees, wasps to take it away somewhere. Now, let's see if there's another one. Come on, let's go this way. Sorry, we have to go back this way. I didn't realise. The last one that I have in here, it was a surprise for me. I didn't realise that it was going to be scented, but it is. And it's this. It's the male papaya. So it produces flowers similarly to the female, but it has a lot more flowers and long stems with flowers, and it has a very pretty honey-like scent. I didn't say honeysuckle there but it's a honey-like scent, very sweet, and it's just like when the wind gets it, it kind of wafts through the air and you just kind of are surprised by it. So that's the fourth one. So I've been planting as many. Can you see that? What's wrong with the... Since my phone updated, everything's gone wonky on it. It's just ridiculous. I think they want you to buy another phone. But anyway, so that's the male papaya, and I think that's it. I think those are the main contenders in the garden, the scented. I'll have to wait until some of the other plants flower, like this is a five-fingered or the star fruit. So I'm not sure whether when it flowers it has a scent. There's lots of other plants here, but yeah, they're the main contenders so far. But as I find others in the garden that are scented, or even plant more, because that's what I want. Look at this one. I'm showing you its throat. I was showing something its throat. Yeah, as I plant or get new plants, I'm trying to get more and more scented. I mean, yeah, I'm not counting the herbs, because like rosemary here has got scented, is scented, but it's the actual flowers. So I hope that's been useful, and you've enjoyed it, and let me know if you've got some beautiful scents from the flowers growing. And I wouldn't mind getting some roses maybe at the front, but yeah, in the food forest, it's a delight to know that those things which like the neem that have got medicinal properties, all the plants that have got medicinal properties with their leaves, or the flowers can be eaten, or you know, that we've also got some beautiful scents and aromas out here in the garden. It just makes it even more a beautiful delight to be out of here. Not to be out of here, I meant a beautiful delight to be out here. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with that. Take care for now. Thank you for joining me, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.